Let's take a few minutes and let's look at some of the facial skeletal features on the Anatomage model. Well, let's make sure we have it on the pen. I had it on the eraser feature. There we go. Make sure we get that right. The frontal bone is the forehead. And so let's put an X here. And then let's draw a line from our written frontal bone over to that. That's the frontal bone. The cheekbone is the zygomatic bone. Let's put that an X mark there possibly. And then let's draw a line over to there. I've actually got that right on the border of the maxilla with the zygomatic, so probably more right in there. So for maxilla, that's the face. So let's put a little X mark here on the face. It's not a very pretty X mark, is it? Let's go back to the marking tool and see if we can straighten some of this out. Let's straighten that out. Straighten that out. And let's go back to our pen. We'll use the red one. Okay, let's go back to the zygomatic and try this one more time. That's not an X, is it? It's still not right, so I'm going to erase that again. I'm going to pick that red pen one more time. I'm going to try to get my finger a little bit more vertical. There we go. That helps. We are learning how to use the table at the same time that we're learning the skeleton. So let me get a very vertical finger. Yes, that is helping. So let's draw maxilla over to that X. That's maxilla. And know that the alveolar process of the maxilla is what the teeth fit into. And then lastly, let's pick up mandible. So the mandible is your jaw. So we're going to take a very vertical finger. Yes. And let's draw a line over to that. There we go. Not very beautiful, but it works. And remember that the chin itself is called the mentum. That's kind of an interesting term, isn't it? And I didn't really get that exactly on the chin. I thought I did. Let's try it once again. How about right here? Yes, the mentum. All right, so let's review real fast. The frontal bone is the forehead, and we can expand that X. I keep making it worse. That gets worse every time I lay hands on it. Let's try it again. Okay, there we go. That's frontal. And then the cheekbone is zygomatic, and the face is called the maxilla. And remember that a feature of the maxilla is the alveolar process into which the teeth fit. It's kind of this extending downward portion right here from the face. And then the jaw is called the mandible. And one feature of the jaw that is has an interesting name is the mentum. Bueno, bueno, bueno.